Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In Supreme Court there was a court case regarding postponement of examination and normalization rule to be implemented in order to take care of two shifts exam for NEET PG 2024. So Supreme Court has given kind of like next direction to hear this petition tomorrow regarding the postponement. Okay, so today no decision came and the hearing will happen tomorrow. So it was regarding a demand for the postponement, considering the points candidates may not be able to reach the center. Many candidates may not be able to reach the center due to flood situation, heavy rain situation, and at the same time their centers are given so far even after reallocation, which happened two times, and the candidates have received the messages from NBE and emails three times. Still the problem exists because somehow they are not able to accommodate 2,28,000 candidates who will appear for the NEET PG examination in as many centers as 169 cities and 360 something centers in those many of cities. Okay, so many candidates are still facing the issue that they need to travel so far, and many are having fear due to the transportation issues. Trains are cancelled, flights are delayed. So if they are not able to reach, then how they can attend the examination is not for one candidate but for many candidates. That's genuine issue. And regarding the same, NB has opened its grievance portal, and there you can raise your concern, right, regarding all these center issues. Okay, this is not the only case. Okay, they will also face problem because some candidates have already booked their tickets, okay, to the centers they have allocated or reallocated. Again they are changing the centers, or if they mention different center in the admit card that is supposed to be published today, then how they were able to cancel their flights or train bookings, and can they reach to their new center on the time? That's a challenge to conduct this NEET PG examination. So regarding all these things, these all things are happening, court cases and PILs and recommendation to the ministers, and it has worked also. The recommendation part has worked because in the Kerala most of the candidates have got the center in their own state or the nearby state, so their problems are solved. But in Kerala, the single state from where the candidates are facing the issues. Okay, so the hearing will happen tomorrow, and what you can expect regarding the hearing, that postponement is most likely not to happen. Okay, because in such cases regarding postponement demand, Supreme Court has always favored the government, because government comes up with a plan and they will come up with many excuses in case the exam is not getting conducted now, because it already got postponed one time and it took more than 1.5 months to reconduct on another date. So if they postpone it now, again they have to get the fresh dates and fresh availability of the centers. Same problem will come, because if they plan to conduct again in a near future, again they have to go with two shifts planning. Two shift plan is kind of limitation or kind of mitigation plan to conduct the examination as soon as possible. If they had like 4-5 months time, then definitely they could have conducted in one shift. But this is excuse also, and this might be a kind of like plan by, because normalization rule didn't have get implemented any time in NEET PG examination. Okay, so some candidates who are having better score, their score will be reduced. Some are having a lesser score, their score might increase, and two papers with different difficulty level, different questions. So how you can justify? So there is a high chance of some scam to happen, like it happened in NEET UG. That's more probable because here you don't have the list of answer your mark like OMR sheet you get in NEET UG. So in NEET PG there is nothing like that. At the same time, the answer list, the correct answer is also not given, so you will ultimately get just the result or scorecard. So there is no transparency, because you are not able to make it dig it through and find any problems that happen in the middle. Okay, so these things are going on, but ultimately you have to plan your examination, you have to finalize with your preparation, revision, everything, because examination is most likely, it's not most likely, 99.5% is going to happen on 11th August, because the government has said, honorable health minister has said that they have mitigation plan in case candidates are facing the issue to reach the center. It means they can conduct the examination on some other day, because they are already having 2 papers, so there is no problem in having 3 papers also. Okay, so that's the crux. The hearing will happen tomorrow, so tomorrow you will get clarity, and the admit cards you can expect by today evening. If not today evening, then tomorrow, at any cost you will receive the admit cards, because after that they don't have time at all to share you the admit cards, because you need to plan accordingly the journey as well. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.